Hello everyone. Today we learn about the family Anonaceae. Let us see the different structures and characteristic features of family Anonaceae. The family Anonaceae is commonly called as custard apple family. According to Rendell, he included 62 genera and 820 species in this family. So, as per the distribution, according to Lawrence, recognized as 80 genera and 850 species. According to the Takhtajan in 1966, he included 120 genera and 2100 species in this particular family. So the family is widely distributed in the tropical regions of the world. Some of the genera are found in the temperate climate. In India, it is represented by 129 species. Let us see about the different characteristic features of family Anonaceae. The members of this family have simple leaves with smooth margins that are alternatively arranged in two different rows along the stems. The radially symmetrical flowers are usually bisexual. In most of the species, the three sepals are united at the base. There are six brown, yellow, or greenish petals, many stamens in a spiral manner, and many pistils, each with a one chambered ovary containing many ovules. The fruit is berry type. Flowers in the some species are borne directly on the large branches or on the trunk. For example, Cauliflorus. The leaves and the wood are often fragrant. The characteristic feature of Anonaceae is that the several species like Annona bears the highly prized fruits. The alligator apple, the Annona glabra of tropical America and Western Africa, also known as pond apple and cowwood, corkwood, is a 12-meter 40-foot evergreen tree with 18 centimeter or 7 inches long oval leaves and fragrant yellowish flowers. It bears smooth yellowish fruits 5 to 10 centimeter long, which are edible but of the poor flavor. Its a root reused to make a bottle corks. So these are the certain plants. So the classification of this particular family, the division phanerogames, that is flowering plant. Subdivision is angiosperms, the seeds to be enclosed within fruits. Class dicotyledons, the seeds with two cotyledons, embryo with two cotyledons. Subclass polypetally, that is petals are free. Series is thalamiflory, all the floral whorls are arranged on the thalamus. Order Ranels, the particular order, and the family Anonaceae. Let us see the vegetative characters of this family. The first character is habitat. There are certain members of this family, they are trees, some of they are shrubs, some of they are lianas. For example, Atravotaries climbs by means of the hooks. Oil ducts present in the bark, leaves, and the perianth leaves. Terrestrial and perennial, evergreen deciduous, cultivated as well as wild. The root is the generally taproot, deep and extensively branched. The stem is erect, branched, solid, woody, sometimes woody climbers. Leaves are simple, entire, alternate, exstipulate, and diticus with gland dotted structures. The floral characters, that is the reproductive structure, the inflorescence. Inflorescence is often solitary, axillary, sometimes the cauliflorus in a groups. Flowers are maybe the complete regular actinomorphic but zygomorphic in Monodora, but due to the difference in the size of the petals, hermaphrodite, that is bisexual, unisexual in case of the Stellacrocarpus, and complete trimerous hypogynous, perigynous in case of the Eupomacia, potamia, spirocyclic, often aromatic. The number of calyx, the number of sepals are three. Sepaloid, polysepalous, that is sepals are free, connate at the base, and showing the valvate type of the estivation. Corolla, that is number of petals are six in two whorls, three of each. Valvate estivation, slightly imbricate, sometimes no distinction into the sepals and petals. So the perianth in the three or more whorls of the three each. Androeciums, generally the stamens are numerous, spirally arranged on the axis, form a large convex receptacle. Filament short and thick, anthers are long, extros, they are present outside, truncate, connective by thickers, etc. Gynoecium, the carpels are numerous or a few, usually free, spirally arranged on the raised receptacle. Apocarpus superior, unicarpillary unilocular, ovules one to many. Anatropous style is short or the none of the some the example. Stigma is small, monodora in case of Africa with syncarpous ovary and the parietal placenta. There is some exceptional cases in this family. Fruit is generally aggregate of the berries united to form a single compound fruit. For example, Ananas squamosa. This is the structure of the Ananas squamosa. Seed is large, numerous, often embedded in a copious white fleshy pulp. Endospermic pollination is entomophilous type due to gaudy and the scanty flowers. The floral formula and floral diagram of the Atrabotris flower like this. These are the number of sepals, number of petals, three of three in three whorls, bracteate, complete, bisexual, perianth, 3 plus 3 plus 3, androecium many, gynoecium many, ovary superior. Or maybe sometimes the bracteate, complete, bisexual, number of calyx are 3, number of petals are 3 plus 3, and androecium many, numerous, gynoecium inferior ovary, sorry, superior ovary, like this. This is a floral diagram. The common plants of this family Anonaceae is Annona squamosa, Annona reticulata, Artabotrys unicata, uncinatus, then Cytho, Cythocalyx zelanicus, then Polyalthea longifolia, Uvaria cordata. These are the certain examples. Common importance, economic importance of this particular family Anonaceae. They may be some of the plants which is used as a food, some of the extracting the oil, some of the plants used as a timber, wood, fiber, and some of them are the ornamentals. The food, especially the fleshy fruits like the ananas species, they are very much juicy and edible purpose. Timber, like there are certain species they extract the that is the durable timber will be formed from these particular plants. Oil is extracted from the certain plants. They may be in the form of perfume. Fibers will be extracted. So thanks for watching this particular family Anonaceae. So if you like, so please subscribe my channel Botanical Education. Thank you very much.